Now we take one example based on the division algorithm. On dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial gx, the quotient and remainder were x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Find gx. So in this question, let us take the polynomial is px, x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. Quotient is x minus 2 and remainder is minus 2x plus 4, and we have to find the polynomial gx. Now according to division algorithm, we know px is equal to gx into qx plus rx. When a polynomial is divided by another polynomial gx, if quotient is qx and remainder is rx, then according to division algorithm, px is gx into qx plus rx. Now putting the values, we get x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 equals to gx we don't know, qx is x minus 2 plus rx is minus 2x plus 4. Now if we take minus 2x plus 4 from right hand side to left hand side, this equation becomes this minus 2x becomes plus 2x and plus 4 becomes minus 4, which remains equal to gx into x minus 2. Now this expression becomes x cube minus 3x square x plus 2x, 3x plus 2 minus 4 minus 2, which equals to gx into x minus 2. Now if we take x minus 2 to left hand side, we get the value of gx as x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. So now gx is this polynomial divided by x minus 2. Now we find the value of gx by dividing this polynomial with x minus 2. Here we divide x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 with x minus 2. When you multiply with x square, we get x cube minus 2x square. Subtracting, we get minus x square plus 3x minus 2. Again, when we multiply with minus x, we get minus x square plus 2x. On subtracting, we are left with x minus 2. And now if you multiply with 1, we get x minus 2, remainder is 0. Therefore, when we divide x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 with x minus 2, we get gx equals to x square minus x plus 1. So hence the polynomial with which px is divided according to question is x square minus x plus 1.